What's up guys, it's me, Geek. Switch it up. Yes, switch it up. I bought the crystal cyan blue case for my Nintendo Switch. Jump to the unboxing table. So now here it is. Yes, here it is. So here is the crystal clear Nintendo Switch case, and then now let me open it. Literally, I am very much excited. I could not tell you how much excited I am. Here we go. Wow, wow. I got the Joy-Con, and then let me take out this Joy-Con also. And then I got the wow, I'm literally amazed. So first let me disattach the Joy-Con. Here we go. Here we go. Go. Here we go. Let me first install this case. Literally, I'm so much excited. I could not tell you how much excited I am. And then I think I have to do like this. Something like this. Okay, it's already installed. And now for the Joy-Con. Okay, and now for the Joy-Con, here we go. Okay, we got a dual Joy-Con. There's a plate also for the Joy-Con. How to take out this one, to be honest with you, it's a little bit confusing. Come on. Okay, it's already out. This one is already out. And then now what do we have to do? This one is for the left blue Joy-Con. Here we go. Okay, not like this. Come on, like this maybe. Okay, and then now let me install. Come on. It's not going inside. Let me take out the silicone. Now it will go inside. Yes, it's a little bit confusing, to be honest with you. Let me be honest with you, it's a little bit confusing. Okay, I'm not understanding what to do. Yes, can you see? Okay, something like this. Okay, this one is already done. It was not that confusing. Let me put this one on. Okay, and now for the second one. It's look very beautiful. I'm gonna get in the smoke black also, but I'm really very much happy, to be honest with you. Okay, here we go, and then let me take out this rubber. Wow, it's look now more beautiful, to be honest with you. It's cyan blue. Even I'm going to buy the night, or it is called the night stray case, the leather case, and then this color will match it. For the Nintendo Switch. And then here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Let me give a wipe. Let me give a beautiful wipe. And now you tell me. Let me show you from the back. Look at that. Look at the beauty of it. Literally, you have to, be honest with me and then tell me. As you can see, Nintendo Switch, clearly everything you can see from the back. Literally, I'm so much happy with that. Look at the beauty of it. So, yeah. Can I recommend this case? Definitely, yes, I can recommend it. It was me, none other than, there's some like, okay, yeah, this is just the particles, okay. Dust particle. Can I recommend it? Definitely, yes. Let me take out the stand. Wow. It was me, Geek. Subscriber. Bye.